Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the screen lock in this device. So in this device I already set the screen lock, pattern screen lock. Let me show you. Draw the pattern, it is landlocked. So simply I will show you how to change the screen lock in this device. For this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on security and privacy, tap on device unlock, tap on screen lock. So here we need to enter the current screen lock. To change this one, here you can select the pattern or password, pin you can select. So if you want to change the pattern, then you can select the option pattern. Then if you want to change the password to pin or password, you can select this one. Okay, so simply here I am going to select the option pin. Then here we have to enter a4. Here we have to enter a pin. It contains at least 4 digits. Tap on next, again confirm the pin. Okay, let me show you. Now you can see instead of the pattern screen lock, they are asking for the pin. So simply in this way you can change the screen lock in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.